back to another video and welcome to Saturday Cleaning with Tracy. So I told you I'm gonna do every Saturday, I'm gonna do a cleaning video. And yeah, it is Saturday. It's currently 1 p.m. Just got Bryce down and the girls are sick. You hear them coughing. Probably you guys tired of hearing me saying the girls are sick here, but the girls are sick and they're sitting right there eating. Anyway, today I am gonna be concentrating on the kitchen area and the family room area. Got some organizer for the fridge because the fridge is kind of messy and everything is everywhere. Drinks that you know kids and husbands are, they put everything everywhere. So I got some organizer and some egg trays and stuff. So I'm gonna get into the video. I'm gonna try to organize my fridge and clean everywhere, try to sterilize, try to do the girls do some laundry. I'm gonna try to wash the girls' blankets because they've been lounging on the sofa, coughing, snots, and you know when kids sick. But all right, let me currently show you how it is. It's, you know, my house is not, I don't consider it really dirty, but in order to stay on top of things, I would like to just do some clean, even if it don't look dirty, but just try to arrange things and get things in order so it don't get too much on me because I'm me alone clean. I'm gonna give you a nice relaxing cleaning day without me chatty. So just sit, relax, and enjoy the video. Okay, this is over this area is currently. I've been on the couch. It's like trashy, dirty. Barely's eating. Just have stuff on the floor. Things on the counter that I ate. They're coloring stuff. So that's how it is. We only have those dishes. That's dirty. My main concern is the fridge. That's how the fridge is. So I'm gonna try to rearrange everything and get everything in order. This is it for today. These organizing trays are very, very good. Look how neat that is. That before was horrible, but look how it turns out. I'll leave this space for bread because we haven't done grocery shopping until tomorrow. And I really like the egg holder. See, I think it holds like 56 eggs. Yeah, I think it holds 56 eggs. The box that I usually got of 60, so yeah, but it's really good. So when you take up one slide, so it's really handy and saves space. So everything turns out great. Hopefully the kids and the husband can keep it this way. But I did go ahead and I clean everything over this side area off camera. I washed the girls' blankets and packed them in. I just have these tissue boxes because the nose runny, but everything I mopped. Only thing I have left to do is to vacuum this rug, and that's it. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm tired and I'm not sure if I'm gonna upload this video tonight. Well, it's a Saturday cleaning, but everything happened so fast and Bryson wake and everything, so I'm not sure if I can upload it tonight. But come back next week for another Saturday cleaning with me. Hope I motivate someone to get up and clean and organize, and I love you guys. Please turn on the notification bell so you can know when I upload a video. Love you guys. Please continue to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Love you guys. See you next time.